Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO A74 5G, and today I will show you how Face Unlock works in the smartphone. So let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. As you can see, it's fast. I think it's the same speed like fingerprint sensor, or maybe a little bit slower, but works really fast. And it's also reliable because it works every time, as you can see. So that's how it works. For me, it's very good. Biometric settings. Tell me what you think about this in the comment, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.